So, Secret, when I get my gas detection system, I'm ready to install. Where should I be mounting the gas detectors?
Very good question. Mounting gas detector depends on the molecular weight of the gas, of the target gas. As a point of reference, molecular weight for air is 28.97 gram mole.
Okay.
Any gas is heavier than air. The sensor should be mounted 6 to 12 inches above the floor. Gases that are lighter than air, they should be mounted near the ceiling. Gases that are the same as air, slightly heavier, it can be mounted at the breathing zone. The breathing zone we refer to is the 4 to 6 feet above finished floor where the natural breathing takes place.
Okay.
Having said that, that doesn't mean that one size fits all. In certain applications, such as a chiller room application, you mount your sensor near the potential gas leak, close to the chillers. So the rules can change on them depending on your application. But in general, you take the molecular weight calculation into the consideration.
Great. Thanks, Secret.